Hi, I'm Professor Julius Idialu Ikarehon. Welcome to my channel today. We will be exploring the nature and scope of business statistics. Starting our conversation, let's delve into the initial part and discuss the introduction. As our world grows in complexity, it becomes increasingly difficult to make informed and intelligent decisions. Often decisions essential to our well-being must be made with less than perfect knowledge and in the presence of considerable uncertainty. We are continually pressured by economic problems such as inflation, cumbersome taxation systems, fluctuations in exchange and interest rates, excessive demands for scarce and costly power and water resources, and swings in the business cycle. Management structures, employment conditions, and advertising issues continually present changing business environments. Our entire social and economic fabric is threatened by environmental issues such as climate change, pollution, power and water resource problems. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop your questions in the comments section. By burdensome public and private debt, unemployment, the need for two-income families, unpredictable government interference, and global effects that swamp non-involved countries. No responsible corporate executive would consider making important business decisions and recommending policy changes without first consulting others and trying to obtain and interpret the facts or data. Sometimes these facts can inform. At other times, they may mislead or deceive.
So, every minute of the working day, decisions are made by businesses around the world that determine whether companies will be profitable and growing or whether they will stagnate and die. Most of these decisions are made with the assistance of information gathered about the marketplace, the economic and financial environment, the workforce, the competition, and other factors. Such information usually comes in the form of data or is accompanied by data. Business statistics provides the tool through which such data are collected, analyzed, summarized, and presented to facilitate the decision-making process, and business statistics plays an important role in the ongoing saga of decision-making within the dynamic world of business. The term statistics is a guide to the unknown and best defined as a branch of mathematics that is concerned with facilitating wise decision-making in the face of uncertainty. It develops and utilizes techniques for the careful collection and effective presentation of data to highlight patterns otherwise buried in unorganized data, descriptive statistics, and proper analysis of such numerical information, inferential or analytic statistics. In other words, statistics is concerned with scientific methods for collecting, organizing, summarizing, presenting, and analyzing data, as well as drawing valid conclusion and making reasonable decisions on the basis of such analysis. Thus, statistics is the collection, collation, analysis, and interpretation of quantitative and qualitative data and the drawing of necessary inference therefrom. By collection, we mean the gathering of the necessary data from the field, mostly through sample surveys. By collation, we mean the sorting out of such first-hand data into divisions and subdivisions in space and time, usually in a tabular form. By analysis, we mean the computational treatment of the sorted materials, tallied out with distinct quantitative and qualitative characteristics and attributes. By interpretation, we mean the identification of the general pattern displayed by the analyzed data upon which to base most of our practical decisions. Finally, by inference, we mean the deductions made about the parent population from the information contained in the analyzed sample as a subset of the parent population. We then set test, the basic hypotheses, for the acceptance or rejection of the sample statistics as consistent or inconsistent estimates of the parent population parameters. Business people who are illiterate in statistics face a two-edged sword. They are deprived of powerful tools that may provide a competitive edge, and they are unable to distinguish intelligently between useful and useless statistical information. Statistics and research methods can help to reduce uncertainty and lead to more effective planning and decision-making in the business and management fields. So on our next video, we'll be looking at a few specific examples and see how intelligent business decision-makers research for relevant data and apply statistics to plan, control, and reduce the uncertainty involved in business decisions.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through our playlist. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more, and ring the notification bell.
Remember to drop your questions in the comment box. My question will drop at the end of the video lesson. Please stay tuned. Don't miss out.